Everyone's overcomplicating affiliate marketing. Here's what actually works. Find products already selling on Pinterest, create professional UGC content with AI in minutes, post for free buyer traffic, and scale it on YouTube. This strategy eliminates all the BS. Let me show you exactly how it works. All right, step 1, find products people are already buying. Open Pinterest Trends and click Shopping Trends. Switch the region to the United States, then filter by outbound clicks. This part matters more than anything else because outbound clicks shows you people who didn't just scroll past, they actually left Pinterest to buy something. High outbound clicks means real buyer intent. Now, look at this. Dresses is the top category with 37% month-over-month growth, and that outbound clicks bar completely maxed out. That's real demand. Check the trend graph. See how steady it climbs? That's exactly what you want, not a random spike or some short-term trend. This is consistent demand that pays you all year. Now look at the demographic data. 86% women ages 25 to 34. That's your buyer. That's who's already spending money on Pinterest right now. Click View Related Products and scroll through. Pinterest literally shows you what's already going viral in this category. Pick something that actually fits this audience. Stylish, trend-friendly, the kind of thing a woman in her late 20s would realistically buy without overthinking it. I'm choosing this one. Save the image, we'll use it in the next step. All right, we have our product photo, but here's the problem. Pinterest wants video, and we don't have the dress or a model. Now, normally you'd be stuck, but I'm gonna use a tool called Vmake Agent. It takes that static photo and turns it into a viral UGC video in about 5 minutes. No actors, no camera, no filming required. And the best part? You can start for 100% free. I've put the link in the description. It works on both web and mobile. Click it and it'll bring you to this workspace. First, upload the product image we just saved. Now, check out the Priority Model tab. By default, it's set to auto, which is what I recommend. The AI automatically selects the best engine for your specific photo. But look at what you actually get access to under the hood. For images, you can choose from Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.0, and several others. For video, you've got Kling 2, Google V3.1, Sora 2, and more. These are some of the most advanced AI models available right now. You can manually select them if you want full control, but I'm leaving it on auto and letting Vmake decide what works best. All right, now in the prompt box, describe exactly what you want your video to look like. This is where you control the quality and style of your final output. I'm gonna use this prompt. Create a UGC-style video of a woman in her mid-20s wearing the dress in a bright bedroom. She talks about the fit and quality. She turns around and moves naturally. Keep the mood cheerful and friendly. End with a clear buy prompt. Now, hit generate. As you can see, the AI analyzes the product image first, looking at the style and details to understand what we're working with. See, it's processing the image now. Once it finishes, it'll ask a few questions to customize the video. Perfect. Here's what it's asking. First, video duration. I'm going with 20 seconds. That's the sweet spot for social media. Long enough to showcase the dress, short enough to hold attention. Second, digital human details. Remember our demographic? 86% women, ages 25 to 34. The model should match that audience. For the voice, I want her to be American English, friendly and upbeat, natural and conversational. Let me enter that and submit. All right, the AI created a complete plan for our video. It wrote the script, set it to 20 seconds in vertical format, and it's creating both main footage and B-roll shots. Close-ups, 360 rotations, all of it. Everything looks good. I'm typing confirm. Now it's generating the video. You can watch it process in real time. Takes just a couple of minutes. And perfect, it's done. Let me play this for you.
Oh my God, this dress. It fits perfectly. Like I didn't even have to adjust anything. The fabric is so soft and look how it moves. I love it. These little details are actually really pretty up close. Honestly, I'm probably gonna wear this nonstop. If you want one, get it now because I've seen these sell out before.
This is genuinely impressive. Look at the quality. That's a photorealistic model wearing a dress we've never even touched. The fabric movement, the spin, the lighting, everything is smooth and natural. Now, think about this from a business perspective. If you hired a creator to film this exact video, you'd pay $150 to $500 and wait weeks for delivery. And frankly, this is the most affordable tool I've found. When you are ready to scale this up, the cost breaks down to roughly $1 per video. All right, let's download this, and we're taking this video to Pinterest to turn it into traffic and commissions. Go to your Pinterest business account, click Create Pin, upload the video. Pick a cover frame that actually stops someone from scrolling. That's all it needs to do. Now, title and description. Most people just type whatever comes to mind. Don't do that. Open ChatGPT and give this prompt. Create an SEO-optimized title and description for a Pinterest pin promoting, and describe your product here. In my case, a floral dress for women. Include the main keyword in the title, write a short keyword-rich description with a call to action to shop the product, and add free relevant small letter hashtags. There's your title, description, and hashtags. Copy and paste them into Pinterest. Now listen carefully, because this is where people screw up and get banned. Do not put your Amazon link in the destination box. Pinterest sees that as spam. They will kill your account. Leave it empty. Here's what you do instead. Click Add Products, select Use a Link. Now we need your Amazon affiliate link. Go to Google Images, click the camera icon, and upload your product image. Google finds matching products across the web. In the search bar, type Amazon and search. You'll see the exact dress pop up on Amazon. Click one of the results, make sure it's the right product. Now click Get Link. That gives you your affiliate link. Copy that URL. Head back to Pinterest and paste that Amazon affiliate link into the product tag field. Pinterest will pull up the accurate product details automatically. Now, this is important. Turn on the disclosure switch. This marks the product as affiliated and keeps you compliant with both Pinterest and FTC guidelines. Next, add relevant tags that relate to your product. Finally, schedule your post to go live between 8 p.m. and 11 p.m. That's peak engagement time. All right, this is what it looks like once it's live. Your pin turns into a clickable storefront with Pinterest's Shop the Look feature. When people click and buy, you earn a commission. Now here's the real move. Post 3 pins every day. Different products, same niche. That's how you win. If you're new to Pinterest and don't know how to set up an account properly, I made a full tutorial. It's in the description. Watch it first. All right, Pinterest works, but if you actually want to scale this, you need YouTube. Here's what smart people are doing right now. They take videos like the one we just made, compile 10 of them together, upload to YouTube, drop their affiliate links in the description, and collect commissions while they sleep. Simple. Let me give you a real example so this makes sense. One creator posted a dress video on YouTube and reached 19,000 views in one day. Now assume an estimated 10% click-through rate. That means around 1,900 people clicked with buying intent. Even if only half of them convert, that's still nearly 1,000 sales from one video. Real revenue while you sleep. Now, take that same idea and scale it. Instead of one clip, you compile 10 videos into one YouTube upload. That is the play. Here's how you execute this. If you don't have a YouTube account, there's a setup guide in the description. It takes about 5 minutes, so handle that first. After that, open YouTube, select Upload Video, and drag your compiled video in. Now comes the title and description, and this is where most people lose. They type a generic title, upload the video, and then wonder why nobody watches. Do not do that. I built a ChatGPT prompt that generates everything for you. A clickable title, a search-focused description, hashtags, and keywords YouTube understands. You will find it in the description. Copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, enter your niche, for me it is Amazon dresses, and hit generate. In seconds, you have a full upload package, a title designed for clicks, a description optimized for search, a product section ready for links, and keywords that help your video get discovered. From here, it's straightforward. Copy the title and paste it into the title field. Copy the description and paste it in. You will see placeholders like product name and product link. Replace those with your actual product details. I put floral dress and my Amazon affiliate link. Then repeat this for all 10 products. Next, copy the keywords ChatGPT gives you and paste them into the tags section. This helps YouTube understand what your video is about and who to show it to. At this point, the upload is done, but there is one last thing that matters more than everything else: the thumbnail. Your thumbnail matters more than your title. If it does not stop the scroll, nothing else works. Most people waste hours in Photoshop trying to figure this out. You are not doing that. Vmake has a thumbnail tool that recreates proven viral thumbnails in about 30 seconds. All you do is find a thumbnail in your niche that already works. This one has 2 million views, so the data is clear. Download it and you're ready to move forward. Now head over to Vmake and upload that viral thumbnail you just downloaded. Here's where it gets interesting. I want to customize this thumbnail to make it mine. I want to swap out the girl's face with a different model, and I want to remove that scam icon because it doesn't fit my video at all. So what I'm going to do is upload a second image, the face I want to use instead. Then in the prompt box, I'll write this. Replicate this thumbnail exactly, replace the original face with the new face provided, and remove the scam text. Short, clear, professional. That's all the AI needs. Hit generate. Now watch what happens. The AI analyzes both images, maps out the facial features, understands the entire layout and composition, and starts rebuilding the thumbnail with your specifications. This whole process takes about 30 seconds. Look at that. New thumbnail, exact same style and energy as the original, but now it's got my model's face and no scam icon. You could make this even better. See that Enhance button? Click it. This upgrades the resolution, turns it into a high-quality, publication-ready thumbnail. Hit export and download it. Now go back to YouTube, upload your thumbnail to your video, and you're done with the creative side. Finally, let's schedule your video to go live. Based on what I've tested and what the data shows, posting between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time gives you the best reach. YouTube's algorithm is most active during that window, and that's when you get the most initial traction. So pick a time in that range, hit schedule, and you're set. All right, one last thing before you go. If you are new, this might feel heavy at first. Product research, AI tools, Pinterest, YouTube, thumbnails, it looks like a lot. That feeling is normal. Everyone earning from this started right there. The difference is simple. They took action before feeling ready. You already have the blueprint, a way to spot demand, tools to create content fast, traffic from Pinterest and YouTube. Nothing important is missing. The gap between you and your first commission is action, nothing else. Do not overthink it. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Make one video today. Post it, learn from it, then do it again tomorrow. You've got this. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.